In Lithuanian, there are 3 E's. I, E. This is I, or I trumpoji, which means short I. As the name already suggests, it is pronounced short I. And let's listen how it sounds. By, ikke. Station, stotis. Women, moteris. Spain, Hispania. Italy, Italia. But when it comes to calling a taxi, Lithuanians would say taksi. And this is E, or I ilgoji, which means long E. Once again, as the name suggests, it is a long vowel sound, E. Labas rytas. Man, vyras. Be quiet, tyliau. Book, knyga. School, mokykla. Pie, pyragas. And finally, this is E, or I nosine. You may know from my previous videos that a vowel with a little tail indicates a long sound, E. Let's listen how it sounds. Go, įvartis. Tool, įrankis. And here we have a phrase that contains all 3 E's. An interesting book, įdomi knyga. A little note here, in the spoken language there is no difference between the pronunciation of both vowels, E. And finally, here's a beautiful yet a very challenging word to pronounce. See if you can get it right. Įsimylėjau. I fell in love. Įsimylėjau. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Ačiū ir iki!